Hello everyone! In this video tutorial, we will guide you on how to download all files from Google Drive at one time. So, let's dive right in. Head over to your Google account settings. You can access this by going via the provided link in the description and clicking on your profile picture in the top right corner. Select Data and Personalization from the menu. Scroll down to the Download Your Data section. Click on Manage Your Data. Under Select Services, find Drive and make sure it's checked. You can also choose other Google services you want to download data from if needed. Once you're happy with the settings, click Next. Choose a delivery method for the download link. You can get it emailed or add it to your Google Drive. Click Create Archive. Google will now start preparing the archive of your entire drive. This can take some time, depending on the amount of data you have. You'll receive a notification, email or within Drive, once the archive is ready. The notification will include a download link. And there you have it. By using this method, you can download all files from Google Drive at one time. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.